Serial.
Boys are feminist, a person who believes in the social political. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, and if you wanted to see how I created this flawless, like queenly look, stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I will give you a breakdown of what I did on this look. So first up, we're gonna start with the Prism palette, and I grabbed this mauve color for the first transition and start carving out the crease, followed by the black eyeshadow to give some more definition of the crease. I place it. It's okay if it's not perfect because we are gonna blend it, guys, using this Sigma E40 brush. Major key in doing your eyeshadow is try to blend the harsh line, and then I grab this Wayne Goss number 17 to use it to blend it some more to get the softer blend. Going back to the Anastasia Prism palette, I grabbed the black eyeshadow and place it on my outer corner to deepen my outer corner. Back with the Wayne Goss brush, trying to get off all the harsh line, and then followed by the clean Morphe M433, which is the dupe for MAC 217, and blend some more. Going back to the Anastasia palette, I grabbed that first transition color and place it around the black eyeshadow that I placed on the crease. And then this M124 shader brush, I grabbed this silvery color from Electric palette and I sprayed it with Max Fix Plus to get the intensify silver color, and I place it all over my lid. Moving on to the Artist Couture, the Mermaid Fantasy, I grabbed that color using the Morphe 124 and place it on top of the silver color from Urban Decay Electric palette. I go back to Anastasia palette and going to use the black eyeshadow with this e.l.f. concealer brush to give me more definition in the crease area. I'm cleaning it out with the Morphe M124, the shader brush. And then moving on to create a wing liner, I grabbed this bent eyeliner brush and I will connect it to the black eyeshadow that I place on the crease area. Guys, it's very easy. This is my recommendation for the people who is struggling to do the wing liner. The bent eyeliner brush is the one that helped me to perfect my wing. So now we're gonna prepare our face. So I sprayed Max Fix Plus to prep my face because I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation which is have a matte finish, and I do have a dry skin, guys. So what I use to prime my face is the primer from Dermalogica, the skin perfecting primer, and I use the Benefit for Professional for my T-zone. So this is the first time I'm gonna use this foundation, guys. What I did here is I place everything, like my foundation, the concealer, and I'm gonna use the Hourglass foundation, the darkest color from the line, to do a contour. I grabbed the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and I sprayed a little bit on my beauty blender, and I will blend them all together. This is the first time I did this, guys. I always use 3 beauty blender because of the 3 cream that I put on my face, and when I used it and sprayed it with Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and blend them all together, it came out pretty good. The concealer are not too harsh, the foundation are not too harsh. You know, it's so worth it to just use a one beauty blender. And you all know how I do my lower lash line, guys. I always grab like a flat definer brush and trying to go over to my inner tear duct, and then I will blend them. And then moving on, I did not show you how I didn't bake my face, and now I am ready to dust off all the powder that I use for baking. And with that fluffy blending brush, I use it with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And then moving on to the contouring my nose, I use this shade of light from Kat Von D with that cool tone shade in the palette to contour my nose, and then that banana color to place it in the bridge of my nose. I love these brushes for contouring the nose. It gives me so perfect contour. Moving on to the bronzer, Bobbi Brown D4 to give me some bronze color. And then on the blush, this is brand new, guys. It's from NARS, and it's in color Dolce Vita. So guys, my favorite, I use it in every video, the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I have a whole like probably 20 mascaras, and this is what I use all the time. I love the one, it separates all my lashes. And then moving on to the lipstick, I grab this Urban Decay Bad Blood and place it in the middle. And then with the Anastasia lip kit, I grab the blue and the yellow to create this marine green color and place it all over my lips. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it and you subscribe and stay.
I Alright, bye guys.